Hello again, another PS5, new display. So sure, kinda sure is a HDMI problem from what the customer said, because it's been bent and. Alright, so let's look at it at the HDMI. You see the pins. Basically, this side here is bad. So you can see it moving. Alright, yeah, so this one, because the port still looks good, we're just gonna resolder the pins. The factory solder, it's go just in the bottom of the pin. It doesn't go around it, so there is no end of solder here. Okay, let's put some flux. Alright, you can see the pins, they were like color copper and now it's silver. Is mean the solder is on the top of it. I always wondering what is capacitor doing here. Sony has nowhere to put it, just right here. Can't put it on the other side of the board. So just to give you a hard time to solder these pins. By the way, the console, the HDMI, it will work fine without this capacitor. This is just a filter. Just tiny solder because we don't want too much, just like that. The bridge is over there. It's kind of a little bit hard to take care of. For the capacitor, let's clean the solder and clean the solder iron, and we start try to move that bridge to the next one. Let's see. Oh yeah, we take care of it. So look like there is a crack over there too. Yeah, the solder iron is not going to be enough here. I need to use some hot air. to help. Yep, it looks good. Alright, let's test them with the multimeter, just to be sure there is no short. Okay, it's good. It's good. Alright, it's good. Yeah, at the same time we see if the pen's moving. Alright, it's good. No short. But you see, I moved this resistor from its place. Alright, it's good. So another thing that I want to share with you is like this metal liquid. It's kind of hard to get it all over the processor and missing no spot, and sometimes it's not sticky on the processor. You can see a spot here. The liquid metal doesn't want to go to it. And if you try more, sometimes it gets more worse, not getting more better. So this is how I do it. Just on a piece of the paper, napkins is the best one to get the liquid metal all over the processor. Yeah, that spot is gone now. It's everything covered. Yeah, because the liquid metal doesn't stick to the paper. Now it's good. Now you can see the liquid metal all over the processor. Same thing here. You can see in the middle of the processor there is some spot. The liquid metal is won't stick on them. So just we use the and now, yeah, the liquid metal is all over the Yep, it's good. Yeah, before I have a hard time like get the metal liquid all over the processor till I try the piece of the paper, and it works great with it. This console, it doesn't have like that problem a lot, because sometime I open a console and the liquid metal is just like over the third of the spot. Sure, that console is having overheat because bad connection between the heatsink and the processor. When I try to get the liquid metal all over, doesn't work. What is the HDMI? It's here. Is the power cord? Well, let's switch the HDMI number. We have the picture. Yep, the console is ready. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.